Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is worksheet of unit 4 from textbook. In previous lesson you have studied about textbook unit 4 let's respect public property. Now you will be able to give the answers for these questions that I will explain in worksheet. So open your books on page 8. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Public property is owned by government. Government is responsible for maintaining the property. Third, most of the people do not realize the value of the public property. Fourth, public libraries are set up by the government. Fifth, people do not use toilet properly. Sixth, it has been seen that people use water and electricity wastefully. Seventh, people scribble filthy words on public walls. 8. Several students cut the seat covers while traveling in buses. Number 9. In government offices, some officers misuse telephones. Number 10. When people are angry about something, they organize a protest. Question number 2. Write true or false. Write true for correct statement and write false for false statements. Number 1. Some people take care. Students, this is the word care. So remove S and instead of S you will write R. Some people take care of cubicles by pasting advertisement. Wrong. Several students cut the seat cover while traveling in buses. True. It is the duty of people to help the government in maintaining public property. True. People throw garbage on the road. True. Pakistan is a developing country. True. Question number 3. Public property is built by government. This is number 1. Number 2 is cubicles are erected at bus stop. Cubicles are erected at bus stop. Third, people do not use public toilets properly. Fourth, mostly people destroy public property because they express their anger. Number 5, Pakistan is a developing country. Match the column. Students, we will match the suitable words of column E for the words of with the words of column A with pencil. Cubicles, bus stop, students, and rewrite the answers, the correct answers in column C. These are the correct answers in column C for the words of column A which I took from column B. Cubicles, bus stop, public libraries set by government, frustration, being annoyed, tearing, to pull, inconvenience, laws of comfort, legitimate, allowed by law, deface, to damage and spoil, scribble, to write or draw something quickly or carelessly, grievances, a complaint. Students, this is the word dedicated, so you will write E instead of I. Public property, grievances, a complaint, public property dedicated to public use. Question number 4, I will explain in my next lesson. Do page 8 to 10 in worksheet and learn it. In description here is a link given to you. Search the link and take the calligraphy class 8. Stay safe at home. God bless you.